Greg from GTS here again, guys. Just wanted to talk to you about glycerin filling. Normally we ship gauges dry, that is 100 ml due to weight and freight costs, and then we fill them. The reason we fill them is to dampen the vibration. It gives you a better reading, and it also acts as a lubricant for the moving mechanical parts in there. Some people think it's water, some people call it glycol, whatever. It's a dampening agent and it helps extend the life of your pressure gauge. Okay, we don't fill them up all the way, we leave some room in the top, just as air vent for fluctuations with ambient temperature and pressure. You can specify the gauges to be dry. When you order or you need them filled, let us know. If you need a top up for your gauges, GTS also sells glycerin direct, so you can top up your own gauges.